Assalamualaikum dear viewers, welcome back to my Camtasia video editing tutorial, that is series tutorial part 6. Today we will discuss about the view menu of the Camtasia Studio. So without any delay, let's get started. At first you have to open the Camtasia Studio. Yes, now I have opened Camtasia Studio and there is a video on the timeline here. Today we will know about the main menu that is located on the left side of the Camtasia Studio. Look, this is the main menu file that is located on the left side of the Camtasia Studio as well. File, edit, modify, view. Today we will know about the view menu. If you click the view menu, then there are some options here. Tools, you can see here, and also you can see the shortcut menu, shortcut letter here, shortcut menu letter. Favorite F, media bin, library, annotations, visual effect, transition, animations, behavior, cursor effect, audio effect, voice narration, caption, zoom and pen. In these options you can know about the shortcut menu letter. I mean, favorite is for F, media bin for V. So this is very important menu. So if you want to use, just click this, then the particular tools menu have appeared there here, and you can use according to your own choice as well. So tools menu is very important and essential part of this view menu. And another hide properties, you can hide some properties from clicking this hide properties menu, and also hide marker track. What is marker? This is the marker. You can see here the marker is the above of the timeline menu. Then this is you can see here, this is the marker. You can hide this. Show quiz track. If you click this, then quiz track have been added on the timeline menu. And also you can see canvas here. Yes, this is the canvas here. This is the main canvas, and you can zoom in or zoom out, zoom to fill, zoom to 100%, center canvas, detach canvas. I mean, you can customize your canvas size by clicking this some sub menu here. Timeline, also this is the timeline here. You can customize this timeline menu by clicking the timeline menu, and there are some sub menu here under the timeline menu. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom to fit, zoom to maximum, decrease track. This is the timeline related options here. You can, if you want to timeline in zoom, and then you can click this, and if you want to zoom out, then click the zoom out. Very important segment here. And also you can show canvas ruler. If you click there, the canvas ruler has come up here. Enable canvas snapping. Yeah, these are not all very important options here, but there are some options from beginning to near to last part here. There are very important some options here. I mean, tools, hide properties, hide marker, track, show quiz track, canvas timeline, and etc. This is the introduction of view menu. You can use this by clicking the view menu, because this is the menu which are related to view options here. How can you view your Camtasia Studio according to your own choice? So you can also use some features here, that is on the left side here, main features here. media library, annotations, visual effects, transition, and animation, behavior, cutscene. This is the main menu. You can see every now and then, and you can see here always. You can see here this is the main menu of the Camtasia Studio. But also there are some menu here, same menu here on the view menu. You can see every tools here under the view menu, and also you can see this is the very important tools also that is always shown on the left side of the Camtasia Studio. So tools are available on the left side, and also tools are available on the view menu. So that's all. I hope this tutorial is very helpful for you for understanding the view menu as well. So no more today, you are requested to watch my next series tutorial about the Camtasia Studio, episode number 8, episode number 7, which is about the export menu. So till then, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.